Hey bro, I just bought a Galaxy S26 Ultra. Super zun eh.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I also bought a new Ultra, but it's the OPPO Find X9 Ultra.
Che, mine got 200 megapixel main lens and 5 times optical zoom.
But mine got 200 megapixel main lens, 200 megapixel zoom lens, and 10 times optical zoom.
But
What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. Nowadays, all the brands also want to call their flagship phones Ultra. But not all Ultra phones are the same, okay? So in my hands here is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. And in this video, I want to show you why this is more tuned than the other Ultra. So let's talk design first. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra is a collaboration with Hasselblad, and it has adopted the design language of that medium format camera that we all cannot afford. But now, we can all own it and carry in our pockets. Now for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, well, the design, we've seen it before and it's the same for every generation previously. So there's no excitement here. The camera on the OPPO features the Hasselblad camera-inspired design, inspired by the aperture structure of the professional camera. Now let's talk camera. The Galaxy S26 Ultra has 4 cameras, but the OPPO Find X9 Ultra has 5. When it comes to megapixels, the OPPO is the more ultra one because it has 200 megapixels ultra sensing main camera, 200 megapixels 3 times ultra sensing telephoto, 50 megapixels 10 times ultra sensing optical telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, along with the true color camera that ensures colors are correct all the time. The Samsung is only 200 megapixel on the main camera and only has 5 times optical. Specs and zoom wise, OPPO is definitely the winner. I really like using the telephoto on the Find X9 Ultra. Finally, there's a smartphone that can zoom all the way to 10 times and there is no loss in details. The 3 times is perfect for macro shots. Look at all these details I can capture. It can also be used with videos as well. The ultra-wide camera can absorb 56% more light compared to previous generation. So even under low light, we can freely and safely use the ultra-wide without any concerns. There's also a feature that the Samsung doesn't have, and it's called Hasselblad Master Mode. Now this is truly my favorite feature. It basically strips off all computational photography and AI, so your shots look like they are from proper camera and not a smartphone.
But my S26 got privacy display leh. See? You can see my screen.
Aiya, you got a lot of secret meh? You think if your girlfriend asks to show your phone, you dare say no meh? Anyway, the Find X9 Ultra can also shoot videos up to 8K 30 frames per second. It has O-Log 2 as well, so it preserves more details and allows better flexibility if you want to color grade manually. Do you know that OPPO also has this feature called AI Mindspace? This feature you cannot find on Samsung even though they call this an AI phone. You can save all your thoughts, voices, research, screenshots all in one space and record them with AI. Super convenient. There's also a new feature called AI Bill Manager to help calculate your bills just by taking a photo. AI menu translation, turning foreign text-only menu to graphical menu in English. So once you are done picking all your orders for the whole table, just show this to the staff or you can let them listen to the translation.
こんにちは。注文してもいいですか ?1、アスパラ天ぷら8個。2、ちくわ磯辺天ぷら6個。1、ホタテ天ぷらありがとうございます。
All the camera and also AI features that I mentioned earlier, they are all powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and also the big battery which is 7050 mAh OPPO silicon carbon battery, 100 watt SuperVOOC wired and also 50 watt AirVOOC wireless charging. It's also rated IP66, IP68 and also IP69. But the Samsung, only IP68. Other than this, the screen on the OPPO also better with 6.82-inch 144Hz display compared to just 120Hz on the Samsung. So if you are someone who understands how superior the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is, you will definitely know which one is the more Ultra one.
Anyway, if you are thinking of buying the Find X9 Ultra, OPPO is actually running a roadshow now in KLCC from 13th to 17th May, and there are also limited time only roadshow promo. Not forgetting, on the 17th, I will also be running a photography masterclass, so in case you have time, do drop by at 4 PM.
So if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the subscribe button below this video, share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!